Hello students, our today's topic is the Blue Rebellion and After. In previous class, we had already discussed about how was indigo cultivated. So now let's move to the next topic of chapter 3, class 8 history, the Blue Rebellion and After. Rebellion means the action of fighting against the authority or refusing the accepting the rules. So, in March 1859, Bengal ryots refused to grow indigo. This indigo is a rich blue in a color. So, as the rebellion spread, ryots refused to pay rents to the planters and attacked indigo factories. And those who worked for the planters were societies boycotted. And gumastas means the paid servant to the planters, the agents of a planters who came to collect the rent were beaten up. And ryots swear means to make a serious promise. They would no longer take advances to show indigo nor be bullied by the planters or lathials. Lathials means the strong men maintained by the planters. So here one question is this: why did the indigo peasants decide that they would no longer remain silent, and what gave them the power to rebel? So what was the reasons for the rebellions? Because the system of indigo productions is a very oppressive. So, but what gave them the power to rebel at this point? So now let's see the answers. The indigo ryots felt that they had to support of the local zamindars and village headmen. In their rebellion against the planters, and in many villages, village headmen and zamindars urged the ryots to resist the planters. So they were unhappy with the increasing power of the planters and angry at being forced by the planters to give them land on long leases. And the indigo peasants also imaginated that the British government would support them in their struggles against the planters. After the revolt of 1857, the British government was already worried after the revolt of 1857. They was already worried. So the indigo peasants think that they also would be support them in against the planters, because there is a possibilities of another popular rebellions. Because in 1859 the lieutenant governor toured the region of indigo cultivations. So the ryots show the tours as a sign of a government sympathy for their plight. Means the ryots perceived it as a sign of a sympathy. And this is also a reason wrong interpretations of Magistrate Ashley Adams notice that issued a notice starting. The notice is this: ryots would not be compelled to accept the indigo contracts. Means according to the notice, accept the indigo contracts is not compulsory. In this way, Adams tried to placate peasants means they were managed to modify the angry peasants, but his action was read as support for the rebellions. Rebellions think that they are supporting their struggles against the planters. Aftermath means the outcome of an event. Intellectuals means the person who used the mind creativity, wrote extensively. They wrote of the misery. Misery means a feeling of intense unhappiness of the riots and the tyranny of the planters and the horrors of the indigo systems. So now army was called. Why army was called? Because the British government worried by the rebellions. So the government brought in the military to protect the planters from riots, and after then Indigo Commission was set up, and the Indigo Commissions to inquire into the system of indigo productions, and the commissions held the planters guilty and criticized them. Then they used with indigo cultivators. So the Indigo Commissions asked the riots to fulfill their existing contracts, but also told them that they could refuse to produce indigo in futures. So after the revolt, indigo productions collapsed in Bengal. So this productions shifted to Bihar, Bengal to Bihar. But the planters now shifted their operations to Bihar with the discovery of synthetic dyes. In the late 19th centuries, their business was affected, but yet they managed to expand productions. So when Mahatma Gandhi returned from South Africa, a peasant from Bihar persuaded him visit Champaran to see the plight of indigo cultivators there. So Mahatma Gandhi visit in 1917 marked as beginning of a Champaran movement against the indigo planters. So the story of Champaran movements and Gandhiji you will be read about in your next class. Thank you.